Hi students, welcome back to Learn Chemistry with Emerald, and in today's class we are going to start with mass problem. We have started with solving for moles under stoichiometry. Now we can solve for mass problem. Now when you have a mass problem, the first thing is you'll be given the mass of a particular substance, and then they will ask you to find the mass of another substance. So we have been given the mass of ethyne. We are looking for the mass of carbon 4 oxide. The first step to take is to find to write out the equation. When ethyne undergo combustion is an hydrocarbon, you have a CO2 and water as the byproduct of that reaction. If you balance, you have 2, you have 5, you are going to have 4, you are going to have 2 here. So this is how you balance the equation. But our focus is on this and this. So the first thing, since you have been given mass, the first thing to do is to convert this mass to number of moles by saying number of moles equal to mass over molar mass. And then in that case, the mass of ethyne is 210. The molar mass of ethyne is 26. And then you are going to have 8 moles. This is 8 moles of ethyne. This is 8 moles of ethyne. Now, what you do again is, since you have gotten these 8 moles of ethyne, you can now relate it. That's the second step now. Relate them by saying the 2 mole of ethyne produces 4 mole of CO2. Then 8 mole of ethyne will now produce what? X mole of CO2. If you cross multiply, you are going to have 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. And that one will give you 16 moles. It will give you 16 moles of CO2. So you have been able to, from this question, are able to get the number of moles of CO2. Able to get number of moles of CO2, and that's the essence of stoichiometry. Now, by getting the number of moles of CO2, we can now say the mass of CO2 is equal to number of moles times molar mass. Number of moles times molar mass, and the molar mass of CO2 is 44. So you're going to have 16 multiplied by 44. 16 multiplied by 44, it will give us 704 grams of CO2. 704 grams of CO2. Again, this is the mass that we are asked to find. Again, we take it again. You write the equation, you balance the equation, then you are going to be given one mass to find another mass. So that mass that you are being given, you convert it to number of moles by saying mass over molar mass. You get number of moles. The next step for you is to relate them. From here, now you can say 2 mole of C2H2 rather. 2 mole of C2H2 give 4 mole. Then this 8 mole, of course, will give 16 mole. Then after you are getting the number of moles of the ones that you are looking for, you can now convert it to mass by saying number of moles times molar mass. And this is what you get. You can take questions relating to this and solve exactly. You are going to get your answer. Keep learning chemistry, and bye-bye.